Hey, how's it going? Welcome to another video. I am Ezekielo, and today I have with me the JBL E500BT wireless over-ear headphones. These just came in, and I'm not sure if I'll call these a successor to the E55BT. So let's check it out and see what's inside. I'll be unboxing it and we'll be testing it quickly, and I'll be telling you all about its sound quality. Let me turn it over the other way. As you can see, it says here JBL signature sound, seamless switch between devices, 20 hours battery life, and it's also got leather earpads and headbands. Okay, let's just unbox this. Let me just turn it this way. Let me just open it up quickly. There we go. Let me put this aside. Here we go. Tightly fixed here. Let me try and open these up. Just take them out. There we have it. Let me put that aside and see what else we have in the box. Okay, there we go. Okay, you've got some accessories here. Okay, you've got your instruction manual and warranty information, and then there is a micro USB cable for charging it up. These don't use USB Type-C. It's also got a 3.5mm audio cable for wired listening. Okay, I think that's pretty much all that's here. That's pretty much all that's in the box. Let me just put it aside. So here are the headphones themselves. As you can see, it's made of synthetic leather. What I'm noticing here is that it's kind of bouncy. Yep, when you press on it, it's kind of bouncy. It's labeled left and right. You've got your power button here. Then you have your volume rocker buttons, and then you have your play and pause button in the middle, and then underneath here you've got your headphone jack, and then you've got the Bluetooth connect button here, and then on the left ear cup you've got your micro USB port for charging it up. These don't use USB Type-C. The headbands are made of a combination of metal and plastic. They adjust, but not that quite smoothly. Here we have it. They swivel slightly, and then you can rotate them to 90 degrees like this, and then you can also fold them up like this. Yep. But you have to bear in mind there is no carrying pouch provided, and then you have the JBL logo on both sides of the headphones. On the E55BT you have the E series crested here, but on the E500 I'm not seeing the E series. It's no longer there. And then the rough pattern that you have on the E55BT, you don't have that here any longer. The headband also is made of leather, and then you have the JBL logo crested at the top. The design is pretty simple, nothing complex here. Let me power it on and we'll test the sound quality. You hear that? The typical JBL sound. Okay, let me get my phone and pair these up quickly. Okay, JBL E500BT. Let's see if it's paired up. Yep, there we go. It's paired up. Let me just play some music. So let me listen to it and tell you all how it sounds. Whoa, it's got lots of bass. Wow. To be totally honest with you all, this packs lots of bass. Wow, for the bass heads, you are going to really like this. The bass is kind of overpowering, both the mids and the highs. The treble is not that forward. It's okay, but if you want a more balanced sound, you are not going to like this. This is for the average consumer and mostly for bass lovers. There is a little bit of distortion at max volumes. That is what I'm noticing. I'm using the iPhone XS Max. I have my volume set to 40%, and it's so loud. With these headphones, I'm finding it difficult going over 50% volume. Yep, they are so loud. So if you like your music so loud to the point whereby they almost deafen your ears, these are the headphones to get. So you have to bear that in mind. They are very loud with lots of bass. I'm not sure if I'm going to call these a successor to the E55BT headphones. Well, that's pretty much it for the unboxing and the sound test of the JBL E500BT wireless over-ear headphones. Thanks so much for watching. As always, feel free to check out other nifty gadgets on this channel, and if you haven't subscribed, click the red subscribe button as I have more content coming your way. I am Ezekielo, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Adios.